Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are safe and well at home. Thank you for your subscriptions, your comments in a positive way. Please do like and share my channel, my English classes. Now today we are going to see from the book Sparrow of class 6 chapter 5, Swimming Across the English Channel. Now this story is related to Arati Saha. She was the first Asian woman to swim across the English Channel in 1959. It is an adventurous story of Arati Saha. Adventure is the most exciting experience of life. It contains immense joy and happiness. However, it is full of risk. Means adventures is more exciting. It gives you happiness. It gives you joy. But there are problems, risk also. People who try adventurous in life for unknown outcome are considered great. Now today first I will read the paragraph and then I will explain you. The English Channel separates England from Europe. It connects the North Sea to the Atlantic and is one of the world's busiest shipping routes. Now here it is said this, that the English Channel is that sea route which separates England from Europe, and it connects North Sea to Atlantic. Swimming across the English Channel is compared to climbing the Mount Everest. While climbing the Mount Everest, there are many difficulties that one has to face. In the same way, swimming across the English Channel is also there. This is because swimming across the channel is not free from dangers. Means while crossing this English Channel, there are many problems, dangerous things happen. The choppy ice cold water is shark fested. Choppy means full of waves. The water of this channel is so cold that it looks like the shark are infesting. Sharks काट रही हैं. Stinging jellyfish and strong tides all make the adventures extremely dangerous. Stinging means pricking. ठीक है, तो these pricking jellyfish and strong tides all make the adventures extremely dangerous. Sheer exhaustion caused due to swimming a great length can also fatal. Exhaustion means tiredness while swimming, or we do some work. जब बहुत देर तक करते हैं तो हम क्या हो जाते हैं, थक जाते हैं. In the same way, while swimming we get exhausted, we are tired, and in that we feel like dead people. Its width is approximately 33 kilometers at the Strait of Dover, where most swimmers attempt to cross the channel. ये चैनल मोस्टली अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कितना है लंबा, 33 kilometers. On September 29, 1959, Arati Saha, aged just 19, means on September 1959, she was just 19 years old, became the first ancient woman to overcome the daunting task. Daunting means difficult, fearful task. She swam from Cape Gris-Nez, France to Sandgate, England. She swam from France to England. She was born in 1940 in Calcutta, West Bengal. She was interested in swimming right from her childhood. Means she was born in 1940 in Calcutta, and since her childhood she likes swimming. She was encouraged by her coach Sachin Nag to participate in various competitions. Her coach was Sachin Nag, and he motivated her more to take part in various competitions. She won 22 states competition between the period of 1945 to 51. Means from 1945 to 51, she has won 22 state competitions. This included an all India record in 1949. It was all India record that she has won 22 state competitions. She was motivated to swim across England Channel by an Indian swimmer, Mihir Sen. Means she was motivated by Mihir Sen to cross English Channel. He accomplished a feat. Accomplished means succeeded. Feat means achievement which no swimmer had done before. He was that person who achieved and no other swimmer has done so far. He swam across the 7 seas of 5 continents in a single calendar year. Means in 1 year, within 1 year, he has swam across 7 seas of 5 continents. He was also the first Asian to swim across the English Channel, and he was the first person to cross English Channel. Arati began training at the young age. She used to put in long hours of training to build a stamina. Stamina means ताकत. जैसे आप कोई काम करते हो तो when you keep on doing it, you become perfect in that. In the same way, she was training in swimming. Sea swimming is totally different from pool swimming. ठीक है, मीन्स समुद्र में तैरना, सी में तैरना और पूल में तैरना बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. टू डू इट वन नीड्स बोथ मेंटल एंड फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ. टू डू द सी स्विमिंग you need to have mental and physical strength. She used to practice in natural water bodies such as rivers, seas instead of swimming pool to get used to tides, waves and sea creatures. क्योंकि पूल में तो टाइड्स आएंगे नहीं और फिशेस तो आएंगी नहीं. सो शी यूज टू स्विम इन रिवर्स, सीज. She also made mental preparation to develop mental toughness to stay motivated even after swimming for hours. उसने अपने आप को इतना टफ बना लिया था, इतना मोटिवेट कर दिया था कि she used to swim for long hours in the sea. She was accompanied by a pilot team who helped her in directing her through the channel. Means there was a pilot team who helped her. कभी कोई कुछ हो ना जाए इसलिए some people are there with her. She made her own record of swimming a distance of 42 miles in 16 hours and 20 minutes. उसने खुद का अपना एक रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा which was 42 miles in 16 hours and 20 minutes. She hoisted the Indian flag at Sandgate. Hoist means इंडिया का झंडा फहराया. She also participated in Helsinki Olympics in the year 1952. In recognition of her achievements, she was awarded Padma Shri in 1960. Because of these achievements in her life, she was awarded Padma Shri in 1960. Arati died of jaundice on August 23, 1994. A stamp was issued by the Indian Postal Department in her memory in 1999. Means she died in 1994 because of jaundice, and the Indian Post Department has issued a stamp in her memory in 1999. Her achievements motivated and inspired many other Indian and Asian swimmers. Her life, her achievements, her works have motivated many Indian and Asian swimmers. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.